he think that this world is having many beautiful attraction, and whenever the person is attracted and try to get these things illegally, then and there he is trapped. So one day he was just passing from one place, and as we know that no one welcome him at his door, and no one feel happy to see this person. So he also thinks that he has also developed this negative idea about the world. And one day he was just passing and from one place, and the late evening was this, so he thought to take shelter in one place, and he reached to a cottage that was situated near the roadside. And when he knocked, he was surprised that one crofter means one milkman or one old man was there, and he welcomed him. The peddler was surprised that the person was not making sore faces, and the crofter means the old man welcomed him. Even he provided him dinner, and he offered him tobacco and porridge, and then they started to play majolis, means they played cards also. And this nice behavior is by crofter, because crofter was also living alone in his house. No one was there. He was also not having any family or wife or children. He also needed someone's company. So both of them, means the crofter and the peddler, were happy in each other's company. And the old man, he was such a simple hearted person, and he was talkative also, so he wanted to share all his things with the peddler. And he told the peddler that previously he was working in an iron work mill, Ramjo, and previously he was strong, so he was able to do the work of the iron. He was able to make the goods from iron, but now due to the age he was not able to do such a laboring work. So he is having one cow, and that cow is supporting this old man, and he used to sell the milk of the cow and earning some money. And the name of the currency is here kronor. So he told that last month he has received 30 kronor as the payment of the milk. And when the peddler was not believing even that, so the old man or the crofter just to put his small pouch or the purse, and took out 30 kronor and show to the peddler. And then peddler was also surprised to see the 30 kronor altogether, because in his life he has never seen such a big amount of money. And then both of them slept. Next day in the morning, now the milkman has to go to milk his cow, as this was his routine work. So he was thinking to leave the house, and finally he just got up and locked his cottage. Obviously the peddler has to go outside, and then both of them went on their own way. Means the milkman has gone to milk his cow or to do his daily work, and the peddler has gone to the different direction, because now he has to go. But what we see that the greediness has come in the mind of the peddler. That is why he decided to steal the money. Means he decided to steal 30 kronor of the old man. That is why after half hour again he was standing in front of the cottage of the crofter. And what he did, he just broke the window pane, and took the pouch or the small purse, and taken away the money, and thrust means just kept the money forcefully into his pocket, and he left that place. And he was feeling very happy. He was feeling he was very smart, and he decided not to go to the regular road, means public highway. He thought that if he was going from that place, milkman might be coming back, and he might be having some doubt. That's why he decided to go through the woods or through the forest. And now he was thinking that from this side he will go to the other side of the forest, and there was a road, and then he will go somewhere, because he was not having any house, so this was not certain where he was going. So he was thinking just he will cross the forest and he will go out of reach of the crofter. But after some time he realized that he was not able to go out of the forest, because from where he was starting his journey, again and again he was coming to the same point. And in this way, since morning, evening has come, and he was surprised why he was not able to go outside. Then the idea suddenly came in his mind, oh my god, I have been also trapped today, means now my turn has come. He was thinking his turn has come. As he became greedy, he was caught by the trap, because now he was not able to go out of this forest. The forest was looking like the tough prison or tough jail, from where he was not able to go, or from where he was not able to go to the other side of the forest. So he was feeling very sad. And this was the month of December, and dark night was there, and rain was also started, and he was feeling very tired, as throughout the day he was walking and trying to go or trying to cross the forest. So he became very sad and very tired also, but he was not able to get his way. It means he was also trapped, and he was so tired that he just fell to the ground. When he laid his head to the ground, suddenly he heard a thumping sound. Thumping means hammering sound, as if someone was beating something. So he thought it means any person is nearby. That is why this thumping sound is coming. So he collected all his power, he summoned all his strength, and started to go to that direction from where the sound was coming.